Hello everybody. So the plan for today is to finish up the floor. I have one little section that I have to finish up, and I'll show you. It's right down here. You see this empty area right here? That was probably kind of disorienting, but anyway, there's about a 30 by 40 section in the floor, and it's going to be comprised of actually a combination of woods, kind of a, I don't know, crosshatch pattern or something you might call it. I don't know. But anyway, that's the plan for today, and then I can get seriously sanding everything. Everything's sanded down fairly well, but not, not to the level that it needs to be before I can put on a finish. And that is the plan for today. Enjoy the show. Okay, so I got quite a bit done today. I got the rest of these boards installed. Got them all. There's one little right down here, and then up here I'm gonna do this kind of little accent part up there. But got all those boards laid down. Got the nail sets in them. Got everything all puttied up. Just about ready for sanding, but it's pretty late. I've been cranking at it all day, and I think I'm gonna go inside and have some supper. So that's my video for today. I hope you liked it. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Today's episode is brought to you by Lead Shed Productions.